Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask for stickers in Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application and click on the album button at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you will see this page where you can see all the albums you'll have. Simply select any of the album from which you want some stickers and you'll be on this page. So, all the stickers that you won't have look something like this. Here, click on any of the stickers that you want to ask and it is going to open up this page. So this says, do you need this sticker? Try your luck and ask around for help. So you have two options for this: friend group, Facebook group and friends. So you can ask for these stickers on a Facebook group or from your friends. So in order to do that, click on friends icon if you want stickers from your friends, and it is going to open up the list of your friends. You can simply choose up to 4 friends to request stickers and click on continue. After you click on continue, the request will be sent and they will have 24 hours to reply to your request. Now click on OK, and if you want to ask stickers from a Facebook friend group, simply click on the Facebook group option and type in a post asking for stickers from your friends in that group, and you would have successfully asked for stickers on Monopoly Go. You can do the same with other stickers simply by clicking them and asking for stickers from a friend. So that's how you ask stickers for Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.